This way, guys. Yeah, probably. Unless you guys did something crazy. You didn't do anything crazy, did you? Well, you should be using theft charge. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Here we go. In here, guys. How do we have to go in? Because that's the way it is. Have a seat. You got anything on you I need to know about? Why'd your hand in your pockets?
It's not falling.
I'm gonna pat you down real quick, alright?
That's cool.
Nothing on you was gonna poke me, stab me?
No. Delio, it's just, I just take them out daily.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat. Nothing on you that I need to know about?
I do have this, this shit I stole. This bag and shit.
What's in there?
They only pay for the card. Yeah.
Go ahead and see for me. Anything else in there I should know about, my man? Yeah, come on.
I have a valid prescription for him. If you guys can pull that up like on my chart.
Okay.
Or like my pharmacy, you can see it's prescribed.
Katerina?
Right.
What's your name?
What's up?
What's your name?
Xavier.
Xavier what?
How do you know that?
Because, my man, if you don't cooperate, I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
Xavier Wells. I'll give you my real social.
I figured that was not right. Well, thank you for that.
We can get you.
Now, let something crazy happen.
I told her not to steal, man.
You didn't do it, so we'll do it from her. We watched you walk over and put an item in the bag off the shelf.
Please.
55.50.
Hey! No! No, shit!
Help! Use your hands, now! Don't touch it! Do not touch anything.
I'm on.
Come from.
Don't say that.
Send me some units.
Oh, just up the front. That was...
193, also send me supervisor.
You adjust these numbers so you have right. Be like the respiratory like lower.
You got it just a little bit. Thank you. There's no reason why I did that, though, because I want to run it. shouldn't. You shouldn't.
Good?
Yeah. You shouldn't.
No, we're almost out. You good?
Huh?
I'm not getting up. I'm ready to look. That's the part of it.
We're almost to Curtis Carmine. All right, check out the next one.
This will be fun. Guns over there.
Kill it, Rick. Okay, Rich, just want any car not out of home runs, you just slow down.
Do you have any weapons on it?
False name. Good. Yeah.
I mean, he was real close to being shot.
Come here. Pat him down to hit that.
You want her in a cruiser?
Yes.
That's my stuff.
We'll get it for you in a minute. We'll get it.
Okay.
Barely saw his head in there. Pulls it out. Now it's like this. Pulls it. It's quick. So I jump up. Conrad has a tackle, so I couldn't get a shot off.
Do you have one in the chamber?
Yeah. I don't know if he had one in the chamber.
I'll go grab my camera and take pictures of all.
I don't know if this is something we want BCI for, but I mean, there's no evidence really, but
I mean, it's attempted murder.
it is attempted murder. He would have. Oh, he would have got me for sure for a simple. Well, he had a warrant that he tried to lie about. Yeah.
Do you have the laser on it? When he pulled it out?
Oh yeah.
Did it
Yeah.
shine anything?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because that was the first thing I saw.
They're mags loaded.
But he racked it. He like pulled the trigger with the racket. Conrad like came over because I got up and I was like this. Conrad's on me, like get off of him. But then the kid gave up. I'm gonna have to call. He got struck a couple times, but I don't think he had his head covered.
Good. What's happened?
He pointed right at my face and pulled the trigger.
Where'd we go?
Under the seat.
Oh, wow. Who all was in here?
All of us. Well, 3 APME.
You're out, so we'll do the investigation. Where they at? Where the people at?
Down here.
All right. Chill out over there for a minute.
He ended up tossing the gun?
No, he ended up dropping it because he went to rack it. As he racked it, Conrad tackled him and it fell down. Sarge, I don't know if you want the DV out here for this. Get these two for theft. Have them in here. They're cooperative. He's being kind of weird, but he hands me that full of pills.
Okay.
So I do pat him down, but I didn't get his pouch that he had. So as I'm sitting there, he lies about his name. Finally tells me, and inquiry just told me he's got 881. So he's armed and dangerous. As soon as he does that, he pulls a gun out, puts it on my head, pulls the trigger, it doesn't go off. Conrad comes over here to tackle him. I draw. He ends up giving up. I couldn't take a shot because Conrad was on my butt. Gun's over there.
Okay. Leave.
I think they have the suspect.
Yeah, there's two suspects.
Okay, you guys. Okay, then you guys run down. Start getting. You got the male or female?
We have the female.
Get running all her stuff. Let's get her Form 8 going and get her out to county.
Her charge is going to be theft.
That's all. I was going to release him. That was the thing. Like, it was just going to be a summons.
Did she do anything during all this?
I mean, not
Other than-
the
Just the
gun part.
theft,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
She has
So
two.
we can get her and cut her.
Bullets
Like,
in
give her
Do you
bullets
do you
in
want
her pocket.
She has two bullets.
make sure she's not under her disability if she is here with that
do
too.
you want DB to interview her though?
You know what? Yeah.
ID's already coming.
We'll go to headquarters.
You good?
I'm good. He did get struck a couple times with my fist.
That's fine. That's. I mean, the fact that that's there, and did you undo the mag, or did that just come out?
Came
during
out
the tussle?
when it fell.
Okay, so he probably didn't have it seated, hence the jam. And
Who is he?
Shane Newman. He doesn't have. I didn't even get to hear what his warrant's for.
I've arrested.
nothing is serious, so it's gonna be a lead.
Yeah. You know what? I arrested him. He had 237 bromazine pills. I got him with trafficking. He went to prison. Yep, those ones though. Those actually may be
Zannies.
no fentanyl. Yeah, that's exactly what he was selling when I pulled him over with that girl. Or it was a different girl. The girl was real skinny. He had 237 of them.
Do you have a gun too? No, you just have to go.
Well, he's got prior